You're going down the road at about 45 to 50 miles an hour. You decide to accelerate, so you tap on the gas and your car starts sputtering. You look in the rearview mirror and you see smoke flying everywhere. You decide to pull over. What now? What up guys, 𝐏𝐫𝐸 here from Get Fixed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about BMW's drivetrain malfunction. What is it? How does it affect your car? And how to fix it? Let's get started. Get fixed. Let's get it. Drivetrain malfunction means there's something wrong with your engine or transmission. Here's the possible reasons you may be getting the drivetrain malfunction error message. 1. Your spark plug coil. 2. Your spark plugs. 3. Your fuel injectors. 4. Your fuel rail. There's something may be wrong with the fuel rail sensor. 5. Your high pressure fuel pump. It usually has something to do with the engine. A lot of times the transmission doesn't give electronic issues like the engine does. When you use a generic code reader, you're gonna get like P codes. That's not BMW specific codes. What I recommend you do is buy OBDLink CX. It is a BMW specific scanner that's gonna give you the exact issues with your BMW. I recommend it, and I am gonna have a link down in the video description below. Just because you have multiple codes on the ECU, that doesn't mean that's the root reason for all the other codes. One code may be causing all the other codes to show up. So once you resolve the one, it may fix all the other ones following. I'm getting multiple codes on my vehicle, but the two codes I'm going to be paying attention to is the 11A401 and the 140011. 11A401 is high pressure fuel pump when injection is released, pressure too low. And the 1401 error code is misfiring, injection shutdown. I'm thinking either the fuel rail pressure sensor is bad. I know I have 2 bad fuel injectors. So what I'm figuring is happening is because the fuel injectors are bad, it's shutting it off on 2 of the cylinders and it's causing that drivetrain malfunction condition. In the past, I also got a high pressure fuel pump error message. So I'm pretty sure there might be something wrong with the high pressure fuel pump. If not, then it may be the fuel rail sensor that's the issue. That could be causing the conditions for everything, such as the high pressure fuel pump, the fuel injectors, and that's why I may be getting that condition. Once again, I'm going to recommend that you scan your vehicle to verify what's wrong with it before you proceed forward. If you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, then I recommend you take it to a trusted mechanic and have them take care of it for you. Just to summarize the video, drivetrain malfunction doesn't mean that there's a specific issue with your engine. It just means that there's something wrong with your engine electronics, and you're going to have to diagnose it to figure out exactly what's going on. Maybe it's your fuel injectors, maybe it's your spark plugs, spark plug coils, the fuel rail sensor, high pressure fuel pump. You're just going to have to narrow it down to what the actual issue is. What is the condition telling you? Do you smell gas? Do you not smell gas? How rough is it running? Do you hear any noises? Let me know down in the comments below what the error code is, and I may be able to assist you with figuring out what's wrong with it. There you have it guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down below. Anyways guys, 𝐏𝐫𝐸 here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace. Let's get it.